Okay, let's go.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English with Mark and Anna. Today's lesson is very exciting. We're going to the airport.
Yes, we'll learn useful English words and sentences for traveling, checking in, and boarding a flight.
If you love traveling or dream about visiting other countries, this lesson is perfect for you.
Let's start. Remember, listen carefully, repeat after us, and don't worry about mistakes. Learning is a journey, just like a flight.
Let's begin with some basic words you'll hear at an airport. Repeat after us. Airport, the place where planes take off and land. Flight, the journey by plane. Plane, airplane, the vehicle that flies. Pilot, the person who flies the plane. Passenger, the person who travels. Luggage, baggage, your suitcases and bags. Boarding pass, your ticket to get on the plane. Gate, the place where you wait before getting on the plane. Check-in, where you show your ticket and luggage. Security check, where they check your bags for safety. Customs, where officers check your passport and items after you land.
Repeat with me. Boarding pass, gate, luggage, check-in counter.
Good. Let's make a small sentence practice. Where is the check-in counter? Here is my boarding pass. I have 2 pieces of luggage. Now your turn. Say one sentence with the word flight.
Perfect! See, you're already traveling with your English.
Let's imagine this. Anna is at the airport, and I'm the airline staff.
Okay, I'm nervous but ready to travel.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I'm flying to London.
May I have your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, 1 suitcase and 1 small bag.
Perfect. Please place your bag on the scale.
Sure.
Your bag is under 20 kilograms. That's good. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate number is A12 and boarding starts at 10:15 a.m.
Thank you very much.
Have a great flight.
Bye.
Great dialogue, right? Now let's repeat some key phrases together. Where are you flying today? May I have your passport, please? Do you have any luggage to check in? Your gate number is A12.
If you're traveling, these phrases are essential.
In English, we often ask questions politely at the airport. We use may I, can I, could you.
For example, may I have your passport? Can I see your ticket? Could you tell me where the restroom is?
Excellent. Remember, being polite helps you everywhere, not only at the airport.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Could you help me, please? May I have a window seat? Can I take this bag with me?
Nice job, traveler. Now, Anna, you've checked in. What's next?
Security check, the most serious part of the airport.
Exactly. At security, you will hear, please remove your shoes. Put your laptop in a separate tray. Empty your pockets.
And don't forget, no water bottles.
Yes, every airport has that one rule everyone forgets.
After security, I find my gate. I show my boarding pass and wait until they say, now boarding.
When you hear now boarding, it means you can enter the plane. Let's practice. Now boarding flight 22 to Paris. Please have your passport and boarding pass ready.
I like to say, let's fly.
Good energy.
Okay, I'm on the plane now. The flight attendants are smiling.
Yes, and they might say, welcome on board. Please fasten your seatbelt. Would you like something to drink?
I usually say, yes, water please.
Or, can I have coffee, please? Let's practice some in-flight English.
Repeat after me. Excuse me, where is my seat? Can I have a blanket, please? Thank you very much.
Perfect. You sound like a polite traveler.
And don't forget to enjoy the view. Clouds look like ice cream from up there.
Now let's imagine if airports had no rules.
Oh no, everyone running with luggage, pilots asking passengers for directions. Excuse me, do you know where the runway is?
Security would be like, "Sir, please remove your everything."
And the loudspeaker says, attention passengers, we lost gate 7. If you see it, please return it to the terminal. English learning can be fun, even when flying through chaos.
Okay, listeners, time to practice. I'll say the English phrase. You say it after me. Where is the check-in counter? May I have your passport, please? What is my gate number? When does the flight board? Can I have a window seat?
Now, let's do a mini role play. You are the passenger and I am the airport staff. Ready? Good morning. Where are you flying today? Do you have any luggage? Here is your boarding pass. Have a nice flight.
Great job! You're ready to travel in English now. Let's review today's lesson.
We learned vocabulary, airport, flight, boarding pass, gate, luggage, check-in counter, security check.
We practice polite questions like, "May I have your passport? Can I have a window seat? Could you help me, please?"
We also had fun imagining airport chaos.
Learning English is like traveling, sometimes confusing, but always exciting.
That's right. So keep practicing, keep smiling, and soon you'll fly anywhere in English.
Thanks for listening to Everyday English with Mark and Anna.
See you in the next lesson, maybe at the hotel or restaurant.
Bye-bye, travelers.